have interrupted your normal broadcast. It will resume soon. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. If you have any TVs from any brand, please dispose them as soon as possible. TVs have been spotted moving around and trapping people in them. This may be part of a hacking group. We will give further instructions. Leave your house. I repeat, leave your home. The TVS have infected every electrical appliance IT is not safe.
Enter your home.
Evacuate your homes and leave. The world is ending. Sire, final goodbyes. The appliances have infected houses and bunkers.